Download the Money app where your hard work pays off.
It took way too long to earn free Domino's with our old loyalty program, but now it just takes 2 orders. Introducing new and improved Domino's Rewards. Get 10 points for every order of $5 or more and earn this, or even this. Order now and start earning free Domino's faster.
Shout out to all the people teaching speed cubing and tricks. The cuber and Andrew the cuber and another guy that taught patterns. So with those patterns I tried to look for other patterns with that same pattern they did, and I found ways to cut myself in time. For example, this pattern where it's in place but needs to get color on. Normally I would put it the 2 right here and the 2 that need in the back that need to get solved. So I go then I came across this way when my sister Stacy said that I was slow, I need to get faster. So she just let me find another pattern where instead of putting the 2 back there, I put it like I'm solving the middle. I keep this here, that there, and that on the bottom, this on the side. These 2 here, they need to get fixed. I do this. It doesn't fall apart. That's pretty quick. But thanks to the speed cubers, I found another way. I'll just put the 2 catty-corny like this. I sit in the back. I just put them right here, and I do that pattern that he says to get everything moved around counterclockwise. But I do this instead. Gets it done quicker. See? I think with these, they got people out there to teach people to do it quicker. Same bad time, same bad channel.